In the last one, you saw the trailer that I purchased and that we're involved in the repair of. One of the things that we discovered in taking the trailer apart, taking the wheels off, was this particular axle stub. Of course, this one is a new one. Had to be replaced. The original axle on the vehicle, on the trailer, had a crack in this upper surface that was extending down into the threads that hold the nut on. No way in the world was I going to put any type of vehicle with a crack on there. So it was beyond my capability, so I took it to one of the master machinists in this town, Charlie Southgate, the East Nashville MacGyver, after purchasing the axle stub. He had to create a sleeve to go inside to match the diameter of the axle stub, turn it down, and then weld everything back together. Again, a master machinist. Now with the blasting cabinet modifications, the one thing that I did was for this right here. That's right, the trailer brake. In investigating the cost of redoing this, the shoes by themselves were $48, but that's just for one pair. So for all the trouble that it would take, why not just get a whole new axle? Well, whole new axles are $337 plus shipping or more, depending on what online source you get them from. They're even priced higher locally. So thinking I could simply do a brake job on this, price them at $48 a pair, it didn't make any sense when you could buy the kit for a little better than $100. Searching on the internet, I was able to find complete kits for even less than that, at probably $34 a piece, so that left me with a quandary. With a much bigger trailer, it would be better to have brake axles on both axles. So when thinking, I remembered that Tennessee Clutch actually relines brake shoes. So they went into the blasting cabinet to get the treatment, and they're going to be relined at Tennessee Clutch for probably somewhere $28 to $32 plus tax for all four of them. That's going to give me, along with the set of brakes and hubs that I'm buying, 2 brake axles for less than the cost of purchasing a new axle. So when you're doing things on a budget, if you take your time, shop around, look around, think of solutions, you can make it happen.